Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had two directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis.
Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It is Thursday, April 6th. Going to do my nightly video on oil. So yesterday we had this bearish reversal candle here, rejecting off the 50 MA. Not confirmed today with the bulls coming back in and taking control by closing above this 50 MA today that it rejected from yesterday. So oil bulls are still in control. They're still showing a lot of strength, especially after the break of this inside candle on the daily, where once we broke it, we've had a lot of nice upside. And so if you zoom out a little bit, we do have a potential of a cup and handle here. If we have any pullback here, we want to see it find some support and then confirm if it continues to consolidate here. A break above the high here of 51.88 will be a bull break, the high of yesterday. Or we could just break above it tomorrow with continuation, with the bulls continuing to be so strong, with the 20 MA starting to curl up. We still have this TCG bull cross again, where the 40 MA green line is crossed over the 80 MA. We've regained this 20 MA with that TCG bull cross. So bulls on the daily are in full control. Pick out the last moving average resistance on the daily as well. So where we're looking at with this being a big red candle here of not having much price resistance and being above all the MAs, the next resistance is going to be the lows of this candle here, and the low of this candle is 52.55, and then the high of this candle of 53.8, and then of course going back for the 52-week highs above these resistances. So oil bulls are in full control. And on the hourly chart, you can see we had this big move up, then we pulled back on the inventories. We had a bounce. We're still setting a lower low from the yesterday's high again of 51.88. So that 51.88 is going to be a bull break. And a red flag for me would be if we break below the low here of this last consolidation low was 50.74. And we've been setting higher lows here on the hourly. So this would be a trend change if we lose the low of this candle of 50.74. That's quite a bit of ways. So that's the support to watch for, that must hold on any type of pullback here. And in the short term, supports are going to be the lows of these candles, 51.48, and potentially the high of this candle here, which had rejected with the upper wick, which was previous resistance that we broke as resistance and now should offer support, the high of 51.27. So those are the levels to look at on your hourly for supports tomorrow. But again, bulls are in full control here on the daily and I believe the weekly time frame now. Weekly time frame, we still have this 20 MA resistance on this bounce. So that's the next step where it looks like we're testing it now on the weekly, and that's currently at 51.95. So a strong close this week would be the bulls, oil bulls closing above this 20 MA at 51.95. That would also probably give us a weekly TCG bull cross, confirming that daily TCG bull cross that we already have. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.